We are announcing our nurse apprenticeship program. The program really identifies the nurse before licensure. So it's geared towards providing some stability financially for nursing students while they're creating and completing their clinical rotations within our Kansas hospitals. The other piece of it is a very vital piece of mentorship that every single person in any kind of career really values, and it helps them thrive and stay stable within that chosen profession.
I'm the grandson of a nurse, and so this is particularly meaningful for me today because I know how hard it was for my grandmother to put herself through her education and her training, and what a struggle that can be. It's important with this new nurse apprenticeship program that we make it easier to care for the people who care for us, and that's what this is all about.
The really cool part about this program is that each of our nurse apprentices will be able to work while they're earning and while they're learning. They'll all have W-2 paid jobs. They're gonna have all paid clinical work hours. They will not take on any student debt to get their nursing licenses.
Just kind of hearing other people's experiences about apprenticeships and externships, I knew I wanted to be part of that. I knew I wanted to be part of a team that welcomed my future and wanted to meet my goals. And so thankfully, I've had so many people come up to me and tell me like, hey, tell me what you want out of this, and tell me what your goals are. And so I couldn't be more grateful to have someone, kind of guide me through that process, but also guide me before I become licensed as a nurse. So
I want to thank everyone that was part of the program for giving me this opportunity. I mean, like I said, it really does take a big stress out of school, because paying for rent, paying for school, and then also going to soccer practice on top of that, it's a lot of time. And those times that I'm here that are mandatory, but I have to be here, are paid. And that's a huge burden off my shoulders.
I think that there are so many different examples from many different professions that demonstrate if you are an apprentice and you have a dedicated mentor, you are just more successful within that profession. So why would we not?